got something here now. Not sure what it is. Looks like yeah, he's jumping. Bluefish, or I don't know if it's a trout or not, probably a bluefish. But it's something to pull in my rod. Oh, that's a big old trout. That's good. Let's see. Yeah, he's right under my seat, so I can't get to him. Come here. He's 17-inch. Pretty trout. Let me get this in before I lose it out there. I was throwing a Z-man and and hung up on something out there now. That's one down to start today. That's good. We got another one. About time. Been about an hour since I caught one. Uh-oh, I think he just pulled off. Oh my God. Yep, just pulled off. Dang on it. I hate that. He felt like a pretty good one. There we go. Had a popping cork over here on this one. I'm working it up that tree line right up bush. Grass line. Get it right in a minute. So, I'd have been whining a little harder and been a little bit more aggressive with my fighting. I'd have probably got that one. But I don't really try to haul them in. That's how a lot of times they get off. But I still have a good time with them. Got a little Z-man on the bottom of this popping cork. I bet that's my boss. I got another one hooked. Maybe I can get this one to the boat. He's been biting on that thing for 5 minutes now. I finally got his butt. That's another big old trout. I like this big old trout. Yeah, get him over here. I can get him in the boat before he gets off. Yeah, 19 inches. Yeah, that's pretty good. 19-inch trout. I'm going to catch me some more bait here in a minute. I think I got one left on my bucket. Uh-oh, got a mess here. I need to cut my camera off so y'all can't see what an amateur fisherman I am. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn it off till I get this mess undone. Okay, that's it. Don't laugh. A trout. Looks like. I tell you what, these suckers are kind of hard to hit. They just barely biting. No, I don't know, that might be a bluefish there. Let's see. I believe he is. Fighting pretty hard. A hard fighting rascal there now. A big old bluefish. I'm gonna put the net on him just for the heck of it. There you go. Oh, bit my line off. Yeah, that's what I get for being so fumble fingers trying to get him off. That chew you line up. Toothy critters. Yeah, I'm going to cut that off. Oh well, a little excitement anyway. He's hard fighting a little fish there. I'd like to catch one about 10 or 15 pounds like that. Ooh, that'd be a hoss. And let me dig out some hooks. That's it now, let me get rigged back up. Well, I made it back home. I ran out of bait. They were biting pretty good. Kept cleaning my bait. So I had 3 nice trout and 1 bluefish. And the tide was high off, so I meant to film it. It was like it was yesterday, but today I parked up in the woods. Here's an update on my rick yak. I noticed when I didn't have the motor on, I couldn't guide it. So I just put me a little small piece of rudder. I know it's not enough to do a whole lot, but I don't need a whole lot. I planned on making it, pretty good size, but then it was hitting this. I'd have had to cut all this off right here, and just a whole bunch of stuff. So I just put this on there, JB welded it. This was a 4-inch PVC pipe, schedule 40. I took my heat gun, it cut me off about a 6-8 inch piece of it. Took my heat gun at the house and got it nice and hot and flattened it out. And I was gonna buy a cutting board at Walmart. I said, heck, I can do this with a PVC, that big old heavy duty pipe. So I think that's gonna work pretty good. We'll see. I might put it in the pond today. But I just put that on there yesterday. I might wait another day. It says 24 hours for it to get right, and I did it late yesterday afternoon, so I may wait. But I was gonna try to catch me some more bait, but I couldn't get any because the tide was so high, all the bait was up in the bushes and in the grass. The wind was blowing hard and you couldn't see them. So I just decided I'm coming to the house. Go in there and I got a steak marinating. So I'll have steak and salad here in a little while. Tastes a whole lot better than fish, in my opinion. So that's it. Till tomorrow.